Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about non-semantic tags in HTML5. Let's watch this in before tutorial we seen about semantic tags and what is header, footer, nav, section and many things we discussed in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn what is semantic tags. Now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about non-semantic tags in HTML. So what is difference between semantic and non-semantic generally? So in semantic, guys, if you want to display any content, you can see by using the semantic tags we displayed the content, but coming to in non-semantic tags we can't display the content. That means non-semantic tags, it's like a special meaning. Of course it's having the special meaning, but it can't express like content. So it's having, by using the non-semantic tags we can write the semantic tags. Don't confuse, it's like a, I'll explain in practically, then you can understand what is the difference between semantic and non-semantic tags. Of course I'll close this one, I'll close this file. I already opened this my website, because with the help of this only I am going to explain everything. And I'll create a new file, so which is called non-semantic as HTML, and just save. Yes, I saved it. And again, I'm copying the pasting the actual syntax, because I don't want to write. So this is the actual syntax of that. So yeah, and in body, what you want to write in body you can write. So yes, what is non-semantic tags means, there are two tags are available, which is non-semantic div tag and span tag. So in div tag, guys, what is meant by div tag? Actually I explained in before tutorial, I used but I not explained. So here the time to explain the div tag. So generally we have like a div tag, which is like if you want to divide the section. So guys, I already explained you can divide the all the thing by using the section tag. So in the section tag you can divide this card, this general card you can divide by using div tag, and this card can be divided by using div tag. So that is the uses of div tag. So I'll show this one, the code which was there here. So guys, generally the cards, I want to go to the cards portion. So generally just inspect, yeah. So this is the my services portal. So you can see that you can see everything. So everything was divided by using like web development. You can see web development as a front end developer. I am responsible to create. This is one division. You can see that this is one division, and this is another division, which is YouTuber, a pure tech channel of my channel. And this is another division, which is like what I have done, UX designer, of course. So this is all divisions was divided by using div tag. So generally div tag is not used for like creating the content, like what you can say h3, h1 and p tag. But coming to div tag, so guys, just observe, I'm using div tag and I'm writing the code. Something I want to display, like I'll write this one only, not what you can write. You can write this one only. So you can divide the session. So by using div tag you can do very easily. So just I'll go to desktop HTML, which is like non-semantic tag. You can see web development as a front-end developer. So I used to write by using div tag. So generally where really div tag was useful means, guys, I'll explain. You can see this is one card. It's like a box structure. So and in that card we are having like a logo. So it is one division, and this web development is in one division, and this paragraph is in one division. So you need like a structured way. So the content should be structured. Like if you observe here, you can see that. So my paragraph this side and another paragraph is in this side. It's like a very structured way. So by using div tag we can do. So best example I can you can see that I used many div tags. That means you can use lot many div tags. That means I divided this column by using the sixth size. So by using classes, and you can use the class. And so what is the class means you can create this class, and we are saying that class to divide 6 by 4. So that means 6 width and 4 height. We are dividing that, and we are so how we can create these classes, everything will explain in future. So another tag was there which is called span tag. And say that span tag is also called as an non semantic tag. So span tag we can use in many times. Span tag, so here you can observe I use it like span tag. So the I closed the tag which is like span tag. I'll show the span tag how it was working. So it is like if you want to style anything by css or javascript, or if you want to style by using id or attribute, generally this span tag will useful. So I'll write the something code, the span tag. Generally it was supported in Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and everything. Of course it was supported. So I'll show span tag. So I'm writing span, and I'll in the span tag I'm writing something code, so which is having. So guys, in span tag if you want to write any code, you can write by using here. Like suppose I want to like bold my, what I can say that change the text color. So I'll write here. So by using style, so equal to, so I want to give the color. So I want to give the color of the tag which is like red color. So that means I want the color of my text should be red color. So by using span tag I'm writing, you can see that. So that is my channel. So guys, my channel thing I want to be like what you can say that red color. So with the help of span tag we can do just control S and reload this one, and you can see that my channel is in red color. So by using span tag, so actually this is what you can say this attribute. So I passed the attribute in that and I'm using. So you can see this is like css, the color of that using, I'm using the css. You can use many span tags. You can use if you want like yellow color, so of course you can use yellow color. Control S and just reload, and you can see the yellow color. If you want like another thing which is like blue color, so just give blue here. You can, do you observe it giving the recommendations? So that's why I love guys to use really Visual Studio Code. Really I'll enjoy while doing this. Reload, yeah, it's like a blue color. So if you want this my channel in down, so you can use, we are having another tag which is like br, so break tag which is also called. So like that I'll explain everything, you need to follow that. So just control S and reload, and you can see that br. So I think it's like next line and next line, just I increase the size and you can see that. So if you want side by side, let it be. Otherwise, if you don't want, it should be next line by using BR. So guys, if you want the line of this as a front-end developer, so if you want any line, you can use by using one tag which is having HR, that is horizontal line. Just Control S and reload, you'll get a line. You can observe the line. That means if you want in website any line, so by using HR you can do, which is also called as horizontal line, and BR is breaking the line and HR is horizontal line. So this is all about non-semantic tags. So if you want like more things, so I'll come with another tutorial which is images. So I want to display the images so by using in HTML, so what are the image tags are available. So everything we'll discuss in upcoming tutorial. Until then, wait for next tutorial.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share and also just comment